Digamos tareas, no puedes estar en todo.
Pero estamos filmando.
Dale, déjame esto que yo arma el fuego.
No puedes pelearse en una
Ponelo ahí,
foto.
ponelo ahí.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for sharing with me this journey and being part of my stories. Maybe this video is a little bit different. I wanted to show something more intimate. And this is the power of the delightful barbecue with some friends in the mountains.
What's the name of this technique?
Schönenberg technique.
My good friends Nicolas and Florencia, they're both originally from Argentina. And just a couple of years ago, they made the decision to move to Switzerland. Now they live in Schönenberg, this beautiful village with nearly 4,000 residents, just an hour away from Zürich. Now that I live in Tel Aviv, I have the opportunity to visit them more often. And every single time I see them, I understand the power of living in the mountain. Here I don't know, but the sounds are different. Maybe it's because they're living surrounded by cows, horses. Every time they open the window, the sky looks endless. And these landscapes are the witnesses of how good friends can have a magical moment together. I know that we all share a special bond with fire, which is hard to explain. Especially in my case, I don't know. Fire is the only element that makes me feel that I'm safe, that I'm warm, that I'm relaxed. I know that fire occupies a deep place in our rituals, connects us to our roots, and always brings us some magic. Fire sparks conversations, laughter, anecdotes, and is the witness of unique encounters.
Si te das cuenta que está todo por acá, ¿lo ves? ¿No notas que acá no está y está acá?
Maybe it's the one that it's helping us to connect with friends, with our families. I don't know. And that's the essence of the barbecue, especially the Argentinian asado. This is a story of the power of the meat, the wood, the cheese, the wine, that when they are all combined, they create a magical moment. A magical moment in this journey that I started some years ago, and now I am in the Swiss Alps, sharing with my friends all these amazing stories and moments that will be with me forever.
Discrepancia que a mí como que me llama la atención, que siento que uno genuinamente separar piezas, separar las piezas. Si vos te laburás de eso y separás
¿Sí de acá? Nosotros estamos del otro lado.
te competió un pedo.
Voy a hacer un TikTok de esto, que sea todos los días y vino que está. Este vino salió $30, no lo hizo ningún productor, pero lo hizo la empresa más grande de Argentina. Tell us what are you cooking, Alan? What's this?
Ah, bueno.
Probably.
What's this that looks like? Oh my fucking god.
Thank you all for being part of this amazing journey
Wow.
that I started 10 years ago.
Ah, no, 8.
I don't know,
Increíble, ¿no?
maybe it's time to open a little bit more the heart and be more intimate. We'll see. Thank you again. Thank you for subscribing. Until the next one.